Okay, we're gonna review the call compliance, how to improve that. It's really easy. Once you have a problem with one address, you're gonna go to the question mark and you're gonna go to unable to deliver, and you only need to call the customer once. This is the right way to do it. Once you hit unable to deliver, it's gonna give you the options. Either you can't access or you can't find the address, which is the most common one. Once you select it, it's gonna ask you to call the customer or text the customer. You hit call the customer, and once you do, it's gonna connect you to them. You only have to do it once, and this is every time you attempt to deliver this package.